It's a beautiful day, about 12 degrees outside, and that means it's time for a nice winter beer. Gonna be making Baltic Porter. Grain bill's nothing crazy. It's about 10 pounds of Pilsner malt, 3 pounds of Munich, 1/4 pound of roasted barley, 3/4 of a pound of Crystal 120, a bit of Carafoam, and that's about it. It comes out to 14 pounds. But I'll have the full grain bill in the description. Mash is done, so we're just going to be bringing it up to a boil. Nothing crazy with hop additions either. Just 1 ounce of Magnum for 60 minutes, and that's it. I hate when that happens. Well, the hops are finally in. Quite a bit more hot break than I was expecting. So did have a little bit of a boil over. So the Baltic Porter's all finished, and it's time to taste it. It's good. It's really malty. It's missing a little bit of roastiness, so I might increase the roasted malt a little bit. Maybe replace some of that Munich with more roasted malts. Really smooth. It's definitely something I would brew again.